Welcome. Today we're going to walk through the simple and quick process of creating a page on the Facebook app using your PC, especially with the new update. Whether you're setting up a page for your business, community, or passion project, these fresh steps will get you started smoothly. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in and on your homepage, look towards the top of the screen. You'll notice an icon with 9 dots arranged in a square that's your gateway to many features. Click on those 9 dots. A menu will appear, and under the Create section, you'll see the option labeled Page. This is exactly what you need to select to begin crafting your new Facebook page. Go ahead and click on Page. Next, you'll be asked to fill out several important fields. These typically include your page name, the category that best describes your page's purpose, and a brief description. Take your time to fill these out accurately because this helps people understand what your page is about and makes it easier for them to find you. Once all the fields are completed, hit the Create Page button. Facebook will then guide you through a series of additional prompts to add important details like your profile picture, cover photo, and other settings that personalize your page. Make sure to follow along step by step and fill in all the recommended information. Each detail you add helps shape the identity of your page and boosts engagement from visitors. After going through these steps, click Next, and finally, you'll see the Done button. Clicking it means your page is officially set up and ready to go live. That's all there is to it. Creating a Facebook page on the PC app with the new update is straightforward. Now you can start sharing content, inviting friends, and building your online presence right away. Thanks for watching.